Dr. Allie, my partner's telling me that I'm snoring a lot more lately. Please tell me this is just pregnancy related. Yep, you can add snoring to the list of pregnancy symptoms. This change in your snoring habit is usually due to the normal pregnancy stuffiness. Remember one of my earlier facts when I talked about nasal stuffiness in pregnancy? This nasal stuffiness can actually increase when you lie down. Try sleeping with a humidifier or a nasal strip. Also make sure you're sleeping with several pillows and that your head is slightly elevated. Also, extra weight gain during pregnancy can contribute to snoring, so make sure you're asking your doctor if you're gaining appropriate weight throughout your pregnancy. Rarely snoring is anything you need to be worried about, but definitely mention it to your doctor if you're worried. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!